We are in Lexington, Kentucky, and this is one of the horse farms in Lexington.
Where the where the white fence is, that's just one of the beautiful horse farms here. This is a very large one. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's a very large horse farm.
It is a beautiful horse farm to see. We're on Lexington Road in Lexington, Kentucky.
And then here where the dark fence starts, that's actually a horse racing track here in Lexington called Land, which is also a beautiful place. Rolling hills and horses and fences and all. Just very, very beautiful, very nicely kept. But you can actually say they actually have live horse racing there at Land, and I think they also do video horse racing there as well. Maybe even dogs, I don't know. But anyway, it's they do have live racing there at certain times.
If you like my videos, follow me and hit that subscribe button, notification bell for my newest video.